Welcome. If you've been trying to figure out how to clean your microwave oven, then you come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to share with you how to keep your microwave clean. So you're not going to want to miss it. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber Swanson and I'm a professional house cleaner. I've been cleaning homes for 12 or so years, and I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks to help you save time and money. So consider subscribing. With that being said, I'm going to share with you your work smart, not hard tools, and that is your microfiber cloth, your magic eraser, and your all-purpose cleaner. So come clean with me. Now that you have the microfiber cloth, the magic eraser, and your all-purpose cleaner, you're going to want to use the all-purpose cleaner first. Spray the inside of your microwave, including the door, and then shut the door. That's how you get the process started. 2 or 3 minutes or so has gone by. You're cleaning the countertops, kitchen table. Just to maximize your time, you're going to clean those areas and then come back to the microwave oven. Then you're going to take out the microwave plate, the rotator, put that to the side, and then wet your magic eraser, clean the door, and then work your way in the inside. After that's done, you might have to rinse and repeat quite a few times to remove any additional gunk from your magic eraser. Now you're going to use your microfiber cloth starting from the door and work your way on the inside. Now the inside of your microwave's clean, but you're not finished yet. You need to make sure you wipe down the rotator of the plate. Use the magic eraser one last time on your microwave plate to remove additional gunk, and then rinse the magic eraser and place it to the side to dry. And now it has been complete. So if you haven't already cleaned the exterior of your microwave, you want to check out this video. It's for a stainless steel microwave, but it can be applied to just about any microwave. So go ahead and check that video out. And check out this next video on how to continue to maintain the cleanliness of your home. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.